Okay, so here we are. Today we are going to code something very different. Okay, this is not Scratch for CS first. This is Scratch for MIT. Okay, so um, I have already added a backdrop and a sprite. If you want to change a sprite, you can remove this sprite from here and then click on this kitten like icon, and then all the sprites that are available over here will be shown here. Okay, so suppose I select any one sprite from here. Suppose I select this sprite. Okay, now the original size of the sprite is very big. Suppose I reduce the size. Okay, now you can also change the backdrop from here. The backdrop that I have added, you can change the backdrop from here. You can select any backdrop, something like that. Okay, now let's code for the fairy. So to code for this fairy or the sprite that I have added, I will click on this sprite. Once I click on this sprite, whatever script I am or whatever blocks I am dragging in this script area will be for this sprite. Okay, so make sure that you have clicked on the sprite. When we click on the sprite, it looks bluish. The name is shown bluish in color. Okay, so first we will go to events block. We will add a when green flag clicks. Then we will say something, right? So whatever our scenario is, we can say or we can think. So let's think for about 2 minutes. Let's think. Suppose I see a castle in the backdrop. So suppose if she's saying that, oh, I see a castle there. Okay, then she thinks maybe let's go and check who stays in that castle. Okay, so suppose this is the dialogue that I have given her. Now suppose when I click on this code, see the think bubble is coming. Okay, so now suppose I want her to go over there, right? So let's select, go to the motion block and select the move 10 steps. Okay, now when we click on it, she says, oh, I see a castle there, let's go there, and then she moves 10 steps ahead. Okay, now we want her to go till the castle, right? So we will go to control block and we will select the forever block and we will put the move block in the forever block. So now let's see what happens. She's saying, and then she will go into the castle. Okay, so this is something that we want. We can bring the sprite back, stop the program, bring the sprite back to the original position. Okay, now the sprite is moving too fast, right? So we will ask her to wait after she moves 10 steps. Okay, so this is how she will look like now, or our program will look like now. She will go slowly. Okay, so I hope this was clear for everyone. You can make your own changes, you can make your own scenario. Just add a sprite, let the sprite think or say one or two lines, and then move the sprite using the forever, move block or wait block. That is your choice. You can also change it to 20 steps like this, and let's see now how it works. She will move a little bit faster. Yeah, that's great. Okay, once you are done with the program, you can rename the program as